So guys, recently OnePlus has launched this OnePlus 7T in India and I have bought it. So today I am going to tell you 7 reasons why I bought this smartphone. So hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir and these are the 7 pros of this OnePlus 7T. So let's begin. So guys, the first reason is the 90Hz AMOLED display. Even though it's a 1080p display, but it's a very nice display. I know that you have already heard about the 90Hz panel, but I think a lot of you guys haven't used the 90Hz panel. But when you use it, you will realize that how quick and how responsive the 90Hz panel is of this OnePlus 7T and any other high refresh rate panel. The AMOLED display is pretty good too, super deep blacks and pretty good colors, even though I find that it is little bit saturated for my liking, but yes, still the display is pretty fantastic, no doubt about that. Then moving to the second reason to buy this smartphone is definitely the performance. This smartphone comes with the latest and greatest specs, the Snapdragon 855 plus, 8GB of RAM, 128GB of UFS 3.0 storage, that is a very quick and very fast storage basically, and combining that 90Hz display with those amazing hardware, this phone performs really amazingly. And I know that it will gonna perform because the specs are just insane. And then moving to the next reason is definitely gonna be the Oxygen OS. Oh yes guys, oh yes, the software of this smartphone is just incredible, no doubt about that. I have to say the best smartphone software is definitely iOS. There are a lot of controversies around it, but overall iOS is the best one in terms of the smartphone software. But after that, when it comes to Android, I can say that the Oxygen OS is the best software that you have in the Android department. I can confidently say that it is better than the Pixel and Google's own stock Android. So yeah, as they say that OnePlus did the Android better than the Google. So by the way, these are not my words. So yeah, by the way, this smartphone is running on Android 10, so that's great too actually. And now let's move to the next reason. The next reason is definitely the Warp charger. It has a 30-watt charger which they have supplied in the box, and the charging speed is just insane. I have made a full video on that how much time does it take to charge, and boy oh boy, it's super fast. It's amazing. I just love the Warp charge. If you wanna see that, go ahead and watch the video that how much time does it takes. But overall conclusion guys, this charger, the Warp charge is insanely fast, no doubt about that. The next reason would definitely gonna be cameras. It is little bit controversial because it's a con too in my opinion, but the cameras of this phone is pretty good. Not the best one that I have seen in this price range. By the way, it costs 38,000 rupees, so the price is quite high of this smartphone. And it has triple rear camera. The wide angle is just amazing in my opinion, and you can also shoot videos from the wide angles, which is just insane. The camera of this smartphone is pretty good, but the front facing camera is a little bit subpar in my opinion for the price range of 38 to 40,000 rupees. Overall camera experience is good, but I can say that it could be a little bit better. But then after that, the next reason is definitely the alert slider. I love the alert slider guys. If you have not used the alert slider in any phone, just try once. You'll fall in love with the alert slider. It's a very awesome thing. When you want to mute your smartphone or put it on a silent mode, it's a very nifty feature. Just slide up, slide down, it will, wow, just amazing feature, no doubt about that. Then guys, the next reason to buy this smartphone is the looks, design and the build quality. I have visited the OnePlus store before this even launch, and I have seen this device. I have seen the blue one as well as this gray one. Overall look wise guys, it looks pretty stunning. And by the way, it's a glass and metal build, so the build quality is pretty fantastic, and even the look wise it looks pretty good. But the camera is little bit strange in my opinion. A lot of people love it, a lot of people hate it. I'm 100% sure that the next reason is definitely the speakers. When I heard the speaker of this phone, I was blown away. I mean, it does not match the high-end smartphone like iPhones and all. iPhone 11 has much better speaker by the way, but this one has very awesome speakers. I have just loved the speaker of this smartphone. By the way, I have not completely listened the ROG Phone 2's speaker, but those speakers are very awesome because they are front firing speaker, but these speakers are not bad too. They are very loud, very clear and very, they are very lively. You can feel the speaker and it literally vibrates the phone. So I just love the speaker of this phone. They're very awesome speaker one. Plus, you did a really great job.
Not bad.
So yeah, these are all the reasons why I have bought this OnePlus 7T. So if you found these reasons to be compelling enough, then you can definitely buy this smartphone. I will leave the link in the description box below. It's Amazon's affiliate link. So if you're gonna buy this, I will get some kickback without costing you any extra penny. So yeah, overall conclusion guys, this smartphone is great, but if you're gonna buy this smartphone, I will suggest you to watch the cons video of this same phone. I have also made top 7 reasons not to purchase this smartphone, or I can say the cons of this smartphone, and I suggest you to watch that video too, then make your decision. So yeah, I will leave the card, you can go and check that video out. So yeah, that's all in this video guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then hit that like button, share this video with your friends who are looking to buy this smartphone or any other smartphone in this price category. And guys, if you love my content, you can subscribe this channel and hit that bell notification icon so you'll be notified when I post new videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Bye.